Hello friends, this video is regarding the details of tomorrow's IEA. In the same single video, I have given the details of both 4SEM and 6SEM details. So please go through this. So I have already informed you well in advance that tomorrow on 3/5/2020 you are going to have an internal assessment test for both 4SEM and 6SEM, and even I have given the syllabus for that also. So now how it is going to happen, what will be the format? You might have got many doubts, so I am here to clarify those doubts. Let me start with 4SEM students, that is OPAM. You will have 20 questions, all of them will be objective type, means for each question there will be 4 answers and you need to select one right answer out of the 4. Only one will be right answer out of 4 answers. You need to select one right answer and you have to write that answer, that code. For example, for question number 1, answer is B. You need to mark it as just question number 1 B. 2 like that, 3, 4 like that. You need to write all 20 questions answers, and there will be no negative marking, and time allotted will be 40 minutes, maximum 40 minutes, 11 am to 11:40 pm, sorry am, it is 11 am to 11:40 am. And syllabus will be complete module number 1 and complete module number 3 except current to voltage, voltage to current, current to voltage to frequency, frequency to voltage, last part of the third module. Except that, remaining things, all of that will be there in your question paper. Now you need to understand that you need to first write your name. You should write your university number in a sheet of paper, and you need to write your SEM roll number, all your necessary data. Below that you just need to write question numbers and answers, only A, B, C, D like that. So here the question paper will be available exactly at 11 am in your Google Classroom. The code will be provided well within 11, and you need to download that paper and you need to write the answers and you need to submit it on or before 11:40 am. That means 40 minutes. So if you submit at 11:41 also, it will show on my screen as a late submission and I will not consider it. So please do remember, you have got only 40 minutes. Within that only you need to write, you need to upload it. So syllabus will be module number 1 and module number 3. And coming to the 6SEM DSP, here you will have 10 objective questions, each carrying 2 marks, total 20, and 2 descriptive questions, each carrying 10 marks, total 20. So again you will be having 40 marks. So your time starts from 11:20 am to 12 pm. 11:20 am to 12 pm. So your syllabus will be module number 1 and module number 2, that is DFT and FFT. Here you need to write your university number, your roll number, your SEM and your name, and you need to just write the question numbers and correct answer in the objective questions like A, B, C, D, and in the descriptive question you need to write the descriptive way, and you need to upload all these things within 40 minutes, that is 12 pm. So late submission will not be accepted. So if you are having any doubts, please let me know, and best of luck for your tomorrow's internal, and be prepared. Don't think that objective questions will be straightforward, easy. And one more thing, I don't bother both 4SEM and 6SEM. If you are going through any textbooks or available notes, no problem. It will be like a open book test, and you can go through them and you can write the answer. and please submit in time. So I hope all of you are doing good. Thank you very much.